Meaning of headway.
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 Headway. Headway refers to the progress or advancement made towards a goal or objective. It can be used to describe the amount of progress that has been made towards achieving something. For example, if a project is making good headway, it means that it is progressing well and is on track to meet its goals. On the other hand, if little headway is being made, it implies that progress is slow or non-existent. Overall, headway is an important measure of success and achievement in any endeavor, whether personal or professional.